Bunny, nobody to talk to me at home. Do you have a few moments to listen to me as I stand here all alone? Remember your Mama Dada's 5th birthday gift? Everything back then at the home was so delightful and sweet. As I sit here now, recalling the time we spent at the waterfall, the moments we spent fishing, I wish I could make them happen. I'm unable to understand who cast this spell so evil. Dada started returning late and Mama's anger started to spill. My home started losing its calm, for the fights continued and my childhood lost its charm. The arguments had no end. I was listened to by nobody. Bunny, how could not they understand? I was hurt both in the soul as well as in my body.